If you're looking for a Discover card, I'm going to give you the 411 on how you can get one. So stick around. Welcome back to Dollars with Dennis. My name's Dennis Dunn, and today we're going to be talking about how to get a Discover card the best way. So, what is the best way to get a Discover card? It's by using someone else's referral link. All right. So you're asking me, what's a referral link? It's a link given to somebody that already has a Discover card that's recommending you as a person who wants a Discover card. The banks use these referral codes as a way to sign up more people for their cards. So if you want a referral code, I got one for you down in the description. Check it out. All right. Be labeled Discover Referral Code. Click on that link. All right. Fill out the application and you can get a Discover card. So all I ask is just one thing, guys. All right. For me hooking you up to get a Discover card, hit that like button, all right, and share this video with a friend. That's all I ask, all right? So enjoy your Discover card, and we'll see you on the next one, guys.